8 high-protein breakfasts that aren't eggs. Starting your day with the right amount of protein is crucial for a number of reasons. First and foremost, consuming protein in the morning will keep you feeling satisfied and full for hours, reducing your risk of getting hungry and overeating later in the day. Incorporating protein into your breakfast is important for preserving lean muscle mass, boosting your immune system, and regulating blood sugar levels. Here are 8 high-protein breakfasts that aren't eggs. Number 8. Greek yogurt PARFAIT. A Greek yogurt PARFAIT is a quick and easy high-protein breakfast option that can be customized to your liking. Start with a base of Greek yogurt, which is a good source of protein, and add your favorite fruits, nuts, and granola. For an added boost of protein, try adding a scoop of protein powder or a handful of almonds. To make it more filling, you can also add a tablespoon of chia seeds, which will help keep you full throughout the morning. To assemble the PARFAIT, simply layer the ingredients in a glass or bowl and enjoy. Number 7. Peanut butter banana smoothie. Peanut butter and banana make a delicious combination in this high-protein smoothie. Blend together a banana, a scoop of peanut butter, some almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder for a tasty and nutritious breakfast. If you prefer a thicker smoothie, add some ice and blend until desired consistency is reached. The peanut butter provides healthy fats and protein, while the banana adds a natural sweetness and a dose of potassium. This smoothie is filling and satisfying, making it a great option for those who are always on the go. Number 6. Quinoa bowl. Quinoa is a versatile grain that is packed with protein and makes for a delicious and filling breakfast bowl. Cook up some quinoa and add your favorite toppings such as fruit, nuts, and seeds. For added flavor and protein, you can also stir in some nut butter or a scoop of protein powder. This breakfast bowl is a great option for those who like to meal prep, as the quinoa can be cooked in advance and stored in the fridge until ready to eat. Top with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey for a sweet and satisfying start to your day. Quinoa is also a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's gluten-free, making it a suitable option for those with gluten sensitivities. Quinoa is also a low glycemic food, meaning it won't cause a spike in blood sugar levels, making it a great option for those who need to regulate their blood sugar levels. Number 5. Avocado toast. Avocado toast is a classic breakfast that can be easily upgraded to a high-protein meal. Start with a slice of whole grain bread and spread mashed avocado on top. Add some salt, pepper, and lemon juice for flavor. To boost the protein content, top with a fried or scrambled egg or some slices of smoked salmon. This meal is filling and satisfying and is a great option for those who are looking for a healthy and delicious breakfast. Aside from its protein content, avocado toast offers a number of other health benefits. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to improve heart health and lower cholesterol levels. They're also a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and vitamins C, K, and B6. Number 4. Chia seed pudding. Chia seeds are a nutrient-dense food that are high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. To make chia seed pudding, simply mix chia seeds with almond milk and let sit for a few hours or overnight. Add your favorite sweeteners, such as honey or maple syrup, and toppings, such as fruit and nuts. This pudding is a great option for those who are looking for a healthy and filling breakfast that can be made in advance. Number 3. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a classic breakfast staple that can be easily upgraded to a high-protein meal. Start with a base of whole grain oatmeal and add your favorite toppings such as fruit, nuts, and seeds. A cup of plain oats contains approximately 6 grams of protein, making it a great base for a protein-packed breakfast. To increase the protein content of your oatmeal, consider adding ingredients such as almond milk, Greek yogurt, nut butter, or nuts and seeds. These additions will not only increase the protein content, but they will also add flavor, texture, and healthy fats to your breakfast. You can also mix in protein powder for an extra boost. Number 2. Turkey bacon lettuce wraps. Turkey bacon lettuce wraps are a delicious and satisfying high-protein breakfast option. Start with a large lettuce leaf and add a few slices of turkey bacon, a fried or scrambled egg, and some avocado. Roll up the lettuce leaf and enjoy. This wrap is a great option for those who are looking for a healthy and portable breakfast that can be eaten on the go. The turkey bacon provides protein and flavor, while the egg and avocado add healthy fats and creaminess. This wrap is a tasty and filling breakfast that is perfect for those who are looking for a low-carb option. Number 1. High-protein pancakes. Pancakes can be made into a high-protein breakfast with just a few simple ingredients. Start with a basic pancake mix and add some protein powder and Greek yogurt to boost the protein content. To make high-protein pancakes, consider using ingredients such as protein powder, almond flour, oat flour, or Greek yogurt. These ingredients will increase the protein content of your pancakes while also providing additional health benefits. For example, almond flour is a good source of healthy fats and fiber, while Greek yogurt is a great source of calcium and probiotics. We hope this video has inspired you to try some new protein-packed breakfast options and to incorporate them into your morning routine. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite high-protein breakfast that isn't eggs? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health-related content, stay tuned.